Don't you grind at me, Barrier.
Anyways, now time for your...
Probably
Pace
freight.
it.
Yeah, pace. The, let's just say heavily delayed now. 2 Papa 67, 1405. Northern service from Scunthorpe. Record now states 19 late. Yeah, we're 24.
That means it'll probably only stay for a few seconds and then go out on the actual 14.
Not possible.
14:25 to Adwork.
Might as well have freight peeking around the corner. But there's 411 back ready and 3 to bit of 1433, 2 number 6 Jason Miller's train service back to Leicester. Then there's 384 starting 4 waiting to be the 1441 Miller's train service to Peterborough from Don. That's the only Don's people that you get. You should actually complete the full journey in one go. Hardly hope does anymore. This bus report didn't make a hell fuss of itself.
Oh yeah, by the way, if I didn't mention in my last 2 videos...
Probably didn't.
This is my 16,000 views special. Hooray!
You didn't mention actually.
Well, it is...
Well, you'll probably forget to mention it in the next as well. Stick them all into one, Shane. If your channel's not restricted.
No, it isn't. Well, it should be.
Have you added the 15-minute plan? 15-minute plus?
Yeah, I've heard of it. And besides, I've removed it. I've asked YouTube to remove it and they have. Anyways, now to 2 minutes.
What was the point in that?
So I can get more bigger videos.
By taking it off, you get smaller.
Oh,
Idiots. You idiot.
I haven't enabled the 15 minutes.
What? Wait, that's what? 2 1/4.
Well, mine's 2 minutes.
Come on. Here's a. What's this? A 2.
Yeah, 142.
Talk about being a loner bus.
Seriously, 142. Northern fixing trains.
Paces are actually alright.
142 or 26?
Here it is. It's 26.
Oh god.
142 26 from Scunthorpe. Let's wait for a thinker break because Brayford's on the stick my arse on the floor. Don't know what we're on. Well done! Yeah, here's the Dutch Schenker tug! Here's the tug!
Is it 60?
Yeah, here's the tug!
That was like 58. Or is that 60?
Bus, shush!
Or is that 69?
Well, it is the, heavily delayed 1 o'clock, 6:89 Zulu from Lindsay to Kingsbury.
Especially 6Z89.
The record states are 26,
Do you think we'll
Come on then, tug!
Do you think we'll
What are you today? Tug what? Oh,
58. I can see an 8. That's probably... I don't know.
she started there for like the past 3 minutes. We were just waiting for passing to set, which she just has done.
60:59.
Yeah.
Yeah.
$60.59!
60:59.
One tug, you can do better than this. Twice the later, probably. And that is the Swindon Dalesman. Apparently, anyways.
Slow.
She's got to go over that passer up there and make sure it's actually set for her. Because she's going down via Bootham, not Saxelby. She'll be stuck at Gainsborough for 3 hours.
No naked light.
This is naked light, it's sunlight for God's sake. Yeah, passover is set for her. You're probably saying to let the pace back out. Yeah, bus, get ready. You're probably going to be waiting for you to get back out anyways.
I then almost lose my hat.
Yeah, stick it on properly.
I'll sort that out in a minute.
Where's the bloody end of tug 1659? Still right the way at the end of 3. Look at that long load of oil. It is oil actually. They're oil containers. Flammable liquid. So is my face, in that it's not a liquid. My face is flammable.
Longest video ever.
And just coming up now, here's the end of Tug 59 to Kingsbury.
It was the end of 60:59 to Kingsbury.
Now staying for the bus. We're waiting for the delayed bus, or we're being busted.
9:59.
What are you going to do then, Tug 59's arse? You're going to fart and let us up, or not? Anne's doing the pacer, I think. Yeah. To Adwick. Never heard you so excited about Adwick, Anne. Yeah, she's trying it again. First she gets excited about Adwick, then she decides to try it again. Not being so excited about it.
We've actually stayed.
Yep.
We do have something.
It's the bus. It's that bus.
Longest video ever.
Shh. Try and listen to Anne. I think she said for the yeah, slight delayed. If the pacer is the 2 Romeo 29, if she decides to get a bomb out, we'll probably at Christmas. To Adwick! Stop getting excited about Adwick and you normally like to Adwick. God almighty, is there some festival on across there or something? That church stood on to 5 of late. Ultra Dawn is 7.5 to treat us. So we're patient, she's stuck on the 7.5 rain so far.
This isn't Christmas.
This is not actual rain. We could do with it, to be honest. Temperatures this week together equal out to something like 85.
Go on it, 26.
Yeah, try and lift it if you like. That'll be your bill. Trespassing / lifting, all the same thing.
£1,000. You can tell it's 1,000 because it's got 3 zeros. Anyway, coming on to 8 minutes.
I think I hear the bus.
And I think we're all going to cheer when this...
Here's bus! Well then, 2 Romeo 29, you already now 6 late. And that's not unlike a bus either. Buses are naturally late. 142.26! 142.26 off to Adwick, and I bet someone's about to be swiped in the face for being that impatient. Come on, boss, do the honours, please. Actually, no, we're waiting for Leicester. She's got 30 departure for 32. I'm not joking, I've got the timetable. The timetable is what this thing follows, if you didn't know. I've got to set that up there for here again. Yeah, she is. Her 2 number 68, 14, 30 tradesmen's train serves to Leicester. Can tell we're staying.
We're now on to 9
We're 32.
Minutes. We're now on to 9 minutes.
Hopefully you can extend your account before you stick that up. And that's a definite bill tomorrow. I just hope he gets jammed on that. Pity. Just a pity though. Pity he didn't whip out the cash and give it to me. I could just send it down the signal box.
Mind you, where's CCTV around here? Oh, so they caught that.
So did I. I'm basically CCTV all the time.
I caught it.
That's why I'm mainly up here. I'm not down Icombe. I think I'm now here 411 getting ready to pull back out as a 14:30 tray 2 number 6 J East Midlands train serves to Leicester. Before you all say shit we're staying again, we're not. This 156 will be the last unless some cops play fiddlesticks with us.
When I was 10 minutes.
Forget about the sticks and just play the fiddle.
10 minutes.
I've been that impatient bloke, to be fair. Blame anyone who doesn't like to wait.
That barrier's still feeling the effect. It's 411. Again.
156 411 back to Leicester.
156 411 to Leicester.
on first, 6, 4, 11 to Leicester. Before we all say, oh shit, we're still down. This is going to change your mind, he says. Wait, of course it will actually. Next due for this is 46. This is someone who's supposed to get smacked in the face. That's it!